Yeah. Rinpoche, actually, I'm practicing Karupa and then the bread magistry. So, should I concentrate one or practice both?
You're doing what? Kalarupa
And bread magistry, sadhana.
and black magistry.
Yeah.
You can continue, but this is what you should do every single day if you're serious. If you're very serious, this is what you do every single day. After your sadhana, you sit in a comfortable position and you make sure your back is straight and your neck is straight and not stiff. You keep your eyes half open and you keep your tongue on the roof of your mouth. Alright? Then you put your right hand in your left hand. Right hand inside the left hand and join the thumbs. And you sit here like this. You can sit on a chair, you can sit on the floor like this. And then you block out thoughts. You do that every day for 10 minutes. If you do that continuously, you will be successful in blocking out your thoughts. When you block out your thoughts, your mind becomes clearer and sharper and faster. People think if I block out everything, I cannot see or hear or understand anything. No. When you clear your mind's even sharper to see and understand. Then you will see your emotions coming under control. You do that every day for 10 minutes, just 10. And within 10 minutes, you have to control your mind 100, 200 times. After a month or 2 months, you'll control it maybe 180, 85, 90 times. That means you sit there and think about nothing and you breathe. Focus on the breath here. Focus on the breath coming in and out. Don't look here. Use your mind to focus on the breath here. And then when you think, oh, my girlfriend, block out. Oh, lunch, block out. Oh, my hair, block out. Oh, my daddy, block out. Oh, my work, block out. My car, block out. Everything, block out. Anything that comes, block out. Block out doesn't mean block them out. It means block the thought. Make your mind clear. This is the first step. Then when you can, for 10 minutes, you can hold your mind very clear and don't think about anything. Nothing at all. Then you let me know. I'll give you the next step. Good luck. That will be the first step for you to control your mind. Everybody here can do it and there's no danger. But I didn't take refuge, can I do it? Yeah, you can do it. As long as you got breath, you can do it. If you're dead, of course cannot. You breathe what? Nothing breathe.